Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new here, definitely go down and hit that subscribe button because we have a lot of stuff in store. Well, it's actually one car, and it's going to be a super awesome car. So I'm going to go ahead and open the package. It just came in, so we're doing like an actual live unboxing here. Well, not really live, but you know what I mean. And this is for the, actually, I'll show you guys first before I see it. 1990 Chevy 454 SS. And holy cow, this thing looks awesome. But not just one, but I actually got two of these things. And man, these are incredible. So let me go ahead and set one aside and take it out of the plastic protector and go ahead and check this thing out up close. And wow, the attention to detail on this is incredible. What do you guys think of this truck? I know a lot of people are excited. I think this came out in black before, and a lot of people were like getting really excited over that one. And then they brought it back in red. And those wheels actually look really good on it too. The truck bed looks really good. Like everything about this is very detailed. It even says Chevrolet there in the back. I don't know if you can really see it very well. But, and if it looks off-center on the back, I just noticed that. It actually has the Chevy logo in red, and then it says Chevy or Chevrolet. So at first I thought that was offset, but it's actually not. It's intentional. But wow, this car looks, or this truck looks really, really good. Wow. Let me know down in the comments down below what you guys think of this truck. And I don't know why. Let me see if both of them have it. Yeah, both of them have it. There's this little black strip right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's like a little black piece of tape or something. I'm going to leave it on there since that's how it came. I'm not exactly sure what that's for, but all right. There's the back of the package. As you see, it's not a specifically numbered car. I know when these came out, it was 2 per customer or 2 per order, which is kind of interesting. A lot of times it's like only 1 per order. So I'm sure a lot of people probably got some duplicates of these. There's the bottom there. But yeah, those wheels look really good. That paint looks incredible. It's almost like a deep red. They've had like brighter reds before, but this is like a really nice deep red with like that black trim along the bottom there. The whole front end is black. But wow, this thing looks so good. And let me know down in the comments down below what you guys think of this. And also, did you guys pick this up when it came out? It did only come out like a few months ago, I believe, maybe a couple months ago. So it's still pretty new, but it's not like whenever you order stuff like this, you order it and then it comes in like a little while later. But yeah, I think this thing looks really good. Here's up close to the picture there if you guys want to see that. But let me know down in the comments down below what you guys think of this 1990 Chevy 454 SS. I think it looks pretty cool. I'm not a huge truck person, but I will say Hot Wheels did a great job with this. And this casting looks really good. And I do think those wheels were a good choice for this truck too, with the color of everything. And yeah, it looks amazing. But like I said before, if you guys haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I have a lot more videos coming. As you can see, all these Amazon black boxes sitting here beside me. I actually do case unboxings of those every time a new one comes out. There's going to be a link in the description down below so you guys can go pick up your Amazon black box. And I have gotten some treasure or super treasure hunts and regular treasure hunts. So they're definitely worth picking up. And then you can also pre-order. They put some of the ones ahead of time so you guys can pre-order that. But if you guys like this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.